So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to close out anything that says NVIDIA Container or NVIDIA Web Helper. So in my case, I've got NVIDIA Container right here. You want to right click on it and then click on End Task. And then you want to look for NVIDIA Web Helper. You want to right click on it again and then click on End Task. Then you want to head over to the Details tab and then do the same thing. Scroll down until you see NVIDIA Container. You want to right click on it and then click on End Process Tree. And for NVIDIA Web Helper, do the same thing. Right click on it, End Process Tree again. For the next step, you want to head over to search and type in Services. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on any service and click on N on your keyboard. Then you want to scroll down until you find NVIDIA Display Container LS. You want to double click on it and then make sure that the startup type has been set to automatic and that the service status is running. Click on Start, which will make the service status running, and then click on OK. But if it was already like this when you got to this stage, you want to click on Restart the service. Now once you do that for NVIDIA Display Container, you want to repeat that for NVIDIA Frame View and NVIDIA Local System. Repeat what you just did for NVIDIA Display Container on both of these. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in GeForce Experience. Click on it. If you don't already have GeForce Experience, I'm going to leave a link in the description for you to download it. Now once you're on this, you want to head over to the Drivers tab and then click on Check for Updates. And then make sure that your NVIDIA graphics card has been fully up to date. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in Check for Updates. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on Check for Updates and do the updates that your computer may have. Now once you complete all the steps in the video, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed. But if it's still not fixed, you want to head over to search and type in Add or Remove Programs. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to scroll down until you find NVIDIA Control Panel. You want to click on the three dots and then click on Uninstall and then uninstall it. Then once you uninstall it, you want to head over to search again and type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to search for NVIDIA Control Panel and then you want to just download it again.